Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you all a meal prep video. Hope you all enjoy watching. I usually meal prep on Sundays. The food that I prepare are mostly Asian inspired, but I also tend to do lots of fusion cooking. So let's get started. Starting with a chili chicken. To prepare the marinade, into a bowl I've added chicken, salt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, all-purpose flour, corn flour, and a little bit of water to bind them all together. Mix it and leave it aside for at least 1 hour. Into a pan, I've added oil. To that I've added ginger and garlic, chopped onions, and chopped capsicum. Chopped green chilies, chili sauce. Here I've used an extra hot chili sauce. Soy sauce, salt and pepper as per your taste. I've deep fried the chicken. Now once the onions are slightly softened, you can add in the chicken. Give it a nice mix. Added extra chili sauce. This is corn flour dissolved in water. When the mixture starts to thicken, I've added some sliced spring onions. This is mainly for color. And it is that simple. The chili chicken is ready. To prepare the rice for biryani, into a pan, I've added hot water. Into that I've added salt, cumin seeds, oil, bay leaves, and the soaked basmati rice. Let the rice cook till it's halfway done. Next on the menu is a quick beef biryani. Now for the marinade, into a bowl I've added the beef pieces. Along with it I've added yogurt, salt, pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, fennel powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and ginger garlic paste. Mix it all together and leave it aside for minimum of 1 hour, but much preferably overnight. Now to prepare the masala for the biryani, into a pot I've added ghee and the whole spices, that's cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, sliced onions, when the onions are slightly golden brown, I've added the chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and yogurt. Mix it well. Cover and let it cook till the beef is soft. Beef is soft and curry has thickened. Then it's the layering time. To the same pot, on top of the beef mixture, I'm adding the half-cooked basmati rice, fried onions, fried potatoes, chopped coriander and mint. Cover and cook in a very low heat for around 15 minutes. I've also added a charcoal to give the tandoor effect. And the biryani is ready. We're going to making 2 flavors of chicken for the little one. So the first is turmeric chicken. I've added chicken pieces and salt as per taste. Into a mortar, I've added ginger and garlic along with coriander leaves. Pound it into a coarse paste and add that onto the chicken. Followed by turmeric powder, pepper powder, lemon juice, and olive oil. Mix them well, and I'm storing it in a Ziploc bag to be used whenever I need. Basically, I'll be freezing this chicken. Making sure to label them. I'm also making some tandoori chicken. Now for this I've used a store-bought tandoori paste. With that I've added yogurt, salt and lemon juice. Mix it well. For the tandoori chicken I've used chicken drumsticks as well. Now the next flavor for the chicken would be za'atar. So into a bowl, I've added za'atar powder, salt, pepper, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and olive oil. Coat the chicken in the marinade and leave it aside to rest, preferably overnight or at least minimum of 1 hour. Now I tend to do all the marinades in the morning, so it has time to rest so that I can grill them all together. Place the chicken on the tray and bake it at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And as you see, the za'atar chicken and the tandoori chicken is ready. It's better to store them in airtight containers or Ziploc bags if you'll be using it within the next few days. I then move on to prepare the paratha or the chapati dough. I plan to make alooparatha or potato stuffed paratha for Zain and chapati for husband and myself. So into a bowl I've added whole wheat flour, salt, oil and carom seeds or ajwain seeds. Mix until you form a soft dough and leave the dough to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Into a bowl, I've added the mashed potatoes, salt, pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, anardana or dry pomegranate powder, dry mango or amchur powder, dried fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi, garam masala, chopped coriander leaves, some garlic powder which is optional, paprika, and mix it well. I have previously shared the recipe for my banana and chocolate chip muffins. I'll put a link down below in the description box. The only difference is I've doubled the recipe, and instead of muffins I've baked it as a sheet cake. And that's it for my meal prep video. Hope you all enjoyed watching, and don't forget to try some of these recipes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you again, take care. Bye bye.